Here at Akins and Wild Willies, we are finally diving into Ram 1500 Covert territory, and we can't be more excited about it. Just look right here, 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn, 5.7 liter Hemi V8, pumping out 395 horsepower. What a phenomenal truck in itself. The Covert treatment by Wild Willies truly elevates it to the next level. This thing had 18-inch wheels on it from the factory and just looked so mundane. We installed a ready lift 2-inch level kit, 22 by 10 XD outbreak wheels, a nice gloss black and milled accent, and 285 55 22 Nitto Ridge grappler. A wonderful tire, almost 35 inches tall, really fits that fender well nicely. Love that black pearl coat, just shining. Coming on around to the rear, I really like how the Bighorn has the pockets already cut out for your dual exhaust. Phenomenal exhaust, the way it sounds, and aggressive stance. You know, we got to have an Akins spray and bed liner in this bad boy. Lifetime warranty. Really protects and just looks great overall. Keeps things from sliding around as much. On our offset, we're a pretty positive offset, so we're not aggressive at all with our stance. This is a very mild package on that mild to wild scale that we like to have here. Just a really good everyday driver. Looks great, still has some off-road capability. Take a look at the inside. That custom cat skin leather. Now check out this stitching. So the stitching is a tan color, and you're saying why tan, Neil? Well, we got a tan ceiling and accent. The Rams do a good job of mixing brushed aluminum, gray, blacks, and also tan on their Bighorn package truck. So really like how we tied it all in together with a nice perforated seats, multi-contour throughout. Currently available right here at Akins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Winder, Georgia. Look for more customized Rams from us to come in the near future.